Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can lock home screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. This is home screen. If you swipe like this is also home screen. Okay. If you want to lock home screen, you can do it. So after locking, editing cannot be done. That is, you cannot remove shortcuts, remove apps from the home screen. For example, now it is unlocked. Home screen is unlocked. It's not locked, and now I select this camera. Just long press on this camera, and I click on remove button, and yes, it is removed. Okay, but if you lock home screen, it cannot be removed. Okay, so for locking, what you have to do is just go to the settings and home screen click on home screen and just turn on this button, lock home screen layout. Okay, now go to home screen and try to remove some of the items from home screen. I again try for camera, just long press on this camera and remove option is not available. Okay, because home screen layout is locked. Okay, see here, you can unlock it in these settings. So in this way you can easily lock a home screen layout, and you cannot also uh, move, track and move. Okay, moving is also protected, moving is also locked. So in this way you can easily just lock home screen layout. If you if you if you, if you would like to keep this home screen in safe. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.